Assalamualaikum. My name is Umair Amira. I am from class 5. I study in Sar Public School. Today I am presenting the model on movement of parts of plant. As you know, plant cannot move from one place to another place, but the parts of plant can move and show response to external stimuli. So what is response? Response. There are two types of response. First type is positive response. Second type is negative response. First, positive response. Move towards stimuli. Negative response. Move away from stimuli. Now we are discussing two main types of tropic movement. Paratonic or tropic movement or nestic movement. Tropic movement. The word trops derives from Greek word tropis meaning turn. There are five types of tropic movement. First type is phototropism. Photo meaning light, tropism meaning turn. Turn due to stimuli of light. The stem move toward light and root move away from light. For example कि जब आप किसी रूम में आप प्लांट रखते हैं तो विंडो से जब लाइट अंदर आती है और उस फ्लावर पे लगती है तो जहाँ पे लाइट मूव करेगी वहाँ पे फ्लावर भी मूव करेगा. सनफ्लावर जहाँ पे सन की लाइट मूव करती है सनफ्लावर उसी तरफ मूव करता है. सेकेंड वन इज कीमोट्रोपिज्म. कीमो मीनिंग केमिकल, ट्रोपिज्म मीनिंग turning due to the stimuli of chemical. The pollen grain falls on flower. The ovary start releasing chemical. They have pollen tube and end toward ovary. The third one is water. Hydrotropism. Hydro meaning water, tropism meaning turn due to stimuli of water. Root move toward water and stem move away from water. Thank you. This is also from my side. Now I am calling to Sanya to come and present the model.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sanya. I am from class 7. Now I am starting from geotropism. Geo means earth and tropism means turn. Geo means earth and earth is related to gravity. Stem moves against gravity and roots move towards gravity. And then the second of plasmotropism. Plasmo means touch, support. When they get any support contact, they start moving and grow towards it. And the second of nestic and the third of nestic movement. Non-direction movement of parts of plant due to external stimuli. There are two types of nestic movement, nectinestic and the second of hyponestic. Nectinestic, differential growth of parts of plants due to external stimuli. Hyponestic movement, the movement of parts of plant due to contact. There are two types of nectinestic movement, first of photonesty and the second of thermonestic movement. Photonestic movement, opening and closing of leaves of touch me not. And the second of thermonesty. Thermonesty, rapid closure of tulip flower. And Venus flytrap, कि जब कोई इंसेक्ट इसके ऊपर आकर बैठता है तो ये अपनी नाली के जरिए उसको ईट कर देते हैं. थैंक यू.